Every single day, millions of naira change hands on this one street in Lagos. No billboard, no luxury showroom, yet this place quietly powers Nigerian used car economy. What's the advantage of getting a vehicle?
You have a lot of advantages. Getting a vehicle.
I'm buying from other places. What's the
The
advantage?
difference is that in this Nigeria, this is the biggest car section. This Nigeria, as you know, to me,
Nigeria, I heard in Africa, based on my research. Africa.
I have never traveled to so many African countries, so I will just talk about the countries that have visited. Yeah, it's Nigeria.
So our population and the rate of which Nigerians consume petrol at drive was going to be quite in the biggest
Yes, because every day buyers comes from every state.
So how many years have you been this?
I'm still up to 36 years.
Yes. Face challenge and benefits.
A lot of it. We thank God today because in this our country we started with nothing.
It's nothing.
Nothing.
So you never inherited any money or any car to start our business.
That was there. But as of now, all this car for you now wants to. That's yeah. Because some people, like for example, they didn't start with money. Some people bought a car. Then along the line from their own car, you can build up. That's how we started.
Okay, yeah, so we start with zero capital. So you're telling me now that you can start a car business without capital.
Zero
Capital.
Yeah.
So once you just know what you're doing and you focus.
Just go lending. No politics. You understand? You know, say along the line you see car that is not neat, you see car that is neat.
Exactly.
You understand?
Second body, first body, accidental
but
car.
yeah, now what we are selling is like direct first body. As this was the Toyota Camry. This is Toyota Camry 2005 model. This one you can get it within the range of 8,500,000, 8,700,000, depending on the grade. And in it we have V4 engine and the 6-plug engine. So come over there and see the inside of the car. This is the inside. See how the inside look like. Very, very okay. Interior, very neat. 4-plug engine. Cap and glass, central lock. You see the 3 headrest there. At the back, the 3 headrest. You must have 3 headrest. That show you that 2005, 2006. See how the back look like.
It's coming back again. Jesus Christ is coming back again. It's coming back.
Why?
Jesus is coming back.
Come over, let's see Camry. Right now we are moving to Camry 2007, 2008 model. Come over and have a look. All these things is Camry. 2007 model. That's all. 2007 model. Then come over here. Let me give you full explanation on the facilities 2008 model used to have. This is 2008 model of Camry. You have reverse camera, full option, DVD screen, 4-plug engine, catalyst intact, central. See how the engine look like. Carry ABS, automatic brake system. And that is 4-plug engine. Yeah. power steering. You have full option. See the catalyst intact, untouchable.
What's the price?
The price you get this one within the range of 9,500,000, 9,700,000, 10,000,000, depending on the grade.
On the grade?
Yes. On the model Highlander.
Highlander.
The Highlander. Come over and have a look on it. This is Jeep product.
Okay.
See how the interior look like.
This Toyota Camry Highlander.
Yeah.
It's really look.
This, the steering, AC, central lock, automatic gear, and the rest of it. This one carry 10 airbags.
10 airbags.
10 airbags.
So in case of accident, that means one is
in case of accident.
One is safe.
You are safe. You are safe because it's direct tokunbo, accident free, not accidented. Accident free. All we are selling here is accident free because before you put your car inside this park, we have to examine the car.
Okay.
We know the whole thing that is working and the one that is not working.
Yeah, that's great. So that's back camera.
Yeah, I have reverse camera.
Reverse camera.
That's what I mean by full option.
Okay,
all
full
the
option.
facilities working excellently.
It seems the camera here is the speaker here is JBL.
Yeah,
over here.
JBL.
Okay.
You can look, you see the JBL camera.
How many plug is this?
Come over here.
How many plug is this?
You can go and see the JBL.
This JBL is great.
Open this one. So you can see these V6. Mostly all of them carry V6 engine. You cannot put 4-plug engine on this because this is a bigger Jeep. V6 engine. ABS.
It really looks neat.
The neatness of the motor. If you look, it is accident free. Once you come before any payment, you have to test run the car before we talk about the payment.
So what's the price for this?
On this one now, you get this one within the range of 32 million.
32 million.
Yeah, you get this one 32 million. You can get it at 1, you can get it 30. It depends on the importer.
Okay.
It depends on the amount they landed on the hand of the importer.
Okay.
Yeah. Those in this our market, we have different importers. Different importers from different towns. Igbos is here, Yoruba is here, even Hausa is here, but majority is Igbos.
Okay.
So we import, we sell. That's what we are doing here. On this one, we have the GX product, Lexus product. Look at the front. Have a look on the front. That is Lexus product. It's also Jeep, Toyota RAV4.
No, let's start me out fresh.
019 020. All this one is Camry LE 2012-2013 model. 2012-2013 model LE product of Camry. Then let me come over and see the interior of the car. Like all this one, you get it within the range of 14 million, 13.8, 14.2, depending on the price of the car. Have a look. Come over and have a look on the interior and the facility of LE 2012 model of Camry. This LE product, sealed roof. We also have open roof, but this particular one now is sealed roof. Come over and have a look on it. 4-plug engine. And inside we have reverse camera. You have central AC, leather seats, all the old facilities intact, fog lamp and the rest.
And it used to have 8 airbags.
And they used to have 8 airbags, front side and the back side, all around airbags, all around airbags. What I'm showing you now. Then let's SE, XXE. See and here. That is the two of them is Camry. It's a model of Camry. This reddish color, while this one is black color. So come over and have a look. Interior of this one now, you can see the airbag. All of them have airbags, and the leather seat, full facility of the car, central lock, device camera, automatic brake system, automatic gear, the facility power seat. That's the power seat. Dream, full com alloy dream with direct tokunbo tires. So all we are selling is with guarantee. All these are selling. Is this 2015-16 model, or 15-16, and on this one you get the price within the range of 18-19 million, depending on the grade.